Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to generate AI image in Canva. So first you just have to open your Canva, and then what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and tap this 9 dots or apps, and then here you have to look for a specific application. This is what we call magic. And then if you can't see it, then you can go to the search bar and then look for magic media. So once you see it, you just have to tap, and this is what it looks like. Now here, what you're going to do is you can now generate some images here by typing some prompts. So for example, you're looking for a cat, or you can be very specific to this. And then you can also look for styles, whatever style you want, if it's anime, or you just have to look for watercolor or dreamy. Also with aspect ratio, everything is up to you: square, landscape, portrait. So once you have enter some prompts and keywords here, you just have to click this generate image and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. You can look for images and graphics, but for videos, this is not applicable for now. I mean, this is not available in my country or with the version that I'm using in Canva. So these are the samples, and all you have to do is to drag that image that you have generated using this magic media. You can look for other prompts if you want. You just have to go again to this description and then enter some keywords and prompts, generate image, and then see the result. As easy as that. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to see more content like this and tutorials like this. See you again in our next video.